While the real estate world has become increasingly digital, flyers can still be an important tool for agents. Here's why. Cost-effective lead generation. Flyers are a relatively cheap way to market a property to a wide audience. They can be left in neighborhoods with similar properties, handed out at open houses, or included in community events. Targeted marketing. You can tailor your flyers to specific demographics by distributing them in areas where your ideal buyer is likely to live. Leave a lasting impression. A well-designed flyer with high-quality photos and clear information can create a positive first impression of the property and the agent. Tangible reminder. Unlike online ads that can be fleeting, a flyer can serve as a physical reminder of the property for potential buyers. They might hold on to it and reference it later. Spreads virally. Flyers can be shared with friends, family, or neighbors who might also be interested in the property. In conclusion, flyers, when used strategically, can be a valuable tool for real estate agents to generate leads, create interest in listings, and ultimately sell properties.